Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are doing outfits of the week for sorority recruitment, but I'm also doing a week in my life, just showing you guys behind the scenes. This video is just our outfits. So in sororities, when you are recruiting, everyone wears pretty much the same outfits, so like you can tell like who's in which sorority, and so like we can differentiate ourselves from the people rushing. And so this is our outfit I show you right now. Our VPR Cassie chose them, and she's the most amazing person ever. Okay, so this is from Allie and Ariel. We're all wearing the same shirt, tucked in. Currently coral's the color of the year. Did you know that?
Is it really?
Yeah, that's why she chose it.
No way.
I know.
It's kind of cute. It makes us look tan.
I know.
So we're good.
And it says Alpha Chi and then some stars. And then we're all wearing white skirts. We're all wearing different white skirts. So mine's from Hello Molly.
Mine's from Forever 21. Wait, no. This is from American Eagle.
Oh, it's really cute.
Yeah, but we can do different kinds of white skirts.
Yeah, like ours are very different styles, but like they're cute. And then we're all wearing like nude espadrille sandals. So mine are from Steve Madden. They were overly expensive. Are yours the same ones? Or are they different?
The exact same.
Really?
From DSW?
Yeah, I got mine from online because there is a coupon code. And then I also have like these hoops from Nordstrom Rack because they're cheap and I didn't want to spend a lot of money on them. Are you wearing any jewelry?
I don't know. I can't decide. I feel like obviously I'm taking this stuff off.
Yeah.
I don't have a bracelet's gonna be too much.
I know. I feel like I'd bang it on something.
I know.
I feel like I need like...
I don't know what kind of earrings, but your hoops look really good, so maybe I'll do big earrings too for an emphasis.
Thanks. I'll see if anyone else in the house wants to like show their outfits. Woohoo. Where's your skirt from?
Okay, I got this skirt from Nasty Gal and these shoes from Urban Outfitters.
They're so cute.
The shoes were on sale and so was the skirt.
Like, how much was it all together?
This skirt was like $15 and I bought these shoes for $25, but when they came in the mail, I don't know if I took off, there was like
Wait, I think I was with you when you got them in the mail.
I got them for $25, but when I got them, there was a sticker and it said $19.99.
Wait, did you return them and then get them again?
No, because there wasn't time.
Oh.
But like, you can do recruitment on a budget.
Ooh, balling on it. I love that.
Like Nasty Gal is where I got like everything for
It's really cute. Did you cut the shirt?
No, I need to.
I cut.
Like I
We have
really,
fabric
really need
scissors.
to.
Yeah, if you need some.
Okay, this is our round one shirts. Got them from Allie and Ariel. Very cute. And then I got my skirt at a warehouse sale. I don't know. It was on sale. I don't
It was
know.
cheap.
It was cheap.
Love the shoes.
Oh, thank you. I painted my big toe again, so I had to.
Why'd you paint your big toe again?
I chipped my toe. I kicked something and chipped my
Oh. Where's your outfit from?
Shirt, same place. Skirt. Online, I think it's called.
Was it Hello Molly?
It's Hello Molly. Let's go!
Where are your shoes from?
Amazon. They were like 15.
Mine too, brother.
They're cute. They're actually so freaking cute.
Oh, my face. Is my face too pale for my body?
I think this is just the lighting.
I hope it's just the lighting.
I know.
Okay. Well, today is round 2. It's Philo day. So our dresses. Oh, you have your little white things.
Oh no,
Sticking
put
out.
that in.
There it is. Shove it into the corner. So for our Philo round, we're wearing gray dresses, and our philanthropy is the fight against domestic violence. So 1 in 4 women in college have been affected by domestic violence. So there's gonna be like, out of 4 people, there's gonna be 1 wearing purple, like lilac, and then the rest 3 will be wearing gray. So we're not cool, so we're wearing gray. We weren't cool enough. Gray is a really hard color to find, especially this shade. This is my dress. It's meant for people with boobs, but that's fine.
I think they all are.
I know. Like, do they ever make clothes for people, like small chested people?
I had to tie this so tight.
Yeah. Mine's from Wild Flocks, and yours is from Lulu's, right? Oh, show the back. It's so cute. Love that.
Cute.
My back is like open.
I like it.
It's a little fat rolly, but that's okay because like we're human. I curled my hair super tight and now it's all falling out, but I actually like the look of it, so I'm not mad. I have this necklace that says Alpha Chi. It's from the Alpha Chi Omega store. Then I have these earrings, which are from Princess Polly, but I got them like 2 years ago. And then our shoes are freaking tall. I'm trying to hold off on wearing them for as long as possible, but Danielle, we have the same shoes, right?
I think so.
They're from Fashion Nova. They make me 6 feet tall. They were cheap and they're actually really comfy. So like considering how tall that is, like that's really comfy shoes. I just don't want to put them on until the very last second, but
So dirty, even just from practice.
yes,
Look at this.
I know. Hey,
I've never worn these out.
oh, look at how black mine are.
I know, it's kind of
The
gross.
floors in these houses are really gross. Today's sisterhood day. My voice is kind of going away a little bit.
Really?
Do you hear it?
Yeah, it's a little raspy.
I was-
Last week and your voice was really gone.
Oh, it was rough, but today we're wearing this green color, which I'm not wearing the correct color, but thanks Cassie for letting me wear it. This is from Hello Molly, and I think it's a very me dress. And we're wearing the same like shoes from Nasty Gal, like the tall platform ones again. Where's your dress? Do you
This
even...
one's mine. I literally don't even know where I got it from.
It's cute.
Because I got that other one, but that one was so ugly. But we're not wearing that one.
But yeah, and then that's it. Oh, you can... My underwear is like rolled up in a ball. You
Yeah,
can
I really
see
don't
it.
know what to do about mine. You can definitely see my line, but
Oh well.
whatever.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, today's preference day and we're all wearing these dark like bridesmaid
They're
prom
literally
dress.
bridesmaid dresses.
Yeah.
Mine said it was a bridesmaid dress when I bought it. No joke.
They kind of remind me of like prom dresses too.
Yeah, a little bit.
We're getting married and going to prom, but Daniela doesn't have hers on because
Nope.
she's cooler than I am and I'm annoying. Here's my dress. It's from Shopo and it goes down really low, and when I sit I flash people, so oops. And then I have the same necklace on and it's really pretty. It keeps like sticking to my foot, as you can see. Then
I really love that one though.
I love it too.
Love the lace detail on it.
Rachel keeps telling me that like every time I like pick my dress up so I don't walk on it, you see my underwear. I look a little bit more of a mess than in the last clip that you guys saw, but I just wanted to come on and end this video. Those were all my outfits. I hope that you guys liked them. Special thank you to Cassie for like picking all the outfits and every single thing that she did. She did so much, so thank you to her, and the outfits were adorable and I felt so pretty. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Next week you guys will see the vlog of behind the scenes, which is fun, and we have the cutest group of new members. Love them. And then you guys will also be seeing just like regular videos like I normally do and kind of getting away from the sorority stuff. But I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.